Nike Air Max DN8. Pink Snakeskin 2025. Air Max Day wasn't as successful for Nike as it had been in previous years. They divided their efforts between the goat-assisted Nike Air Max 95-97, the big head Air Max 1, and a few drops of the brand new Air Max DN8, instead of repeating the Air Max DN's successful marketing campaign. Drawing inspiration from a similarly scaly do-up from earlier in 2025, the shoe naturally incorporates some rosy accents within the reptile material to establish the two dominant tones throughout the rest of the shoe. The shoe's delicate air is further anchored by pink foam along the throat and on the midsole, and it remains streamlined thanks to 8 jet black dynamic air chambers underneath. The $190 Nike Air Max DN8 Pink Snakeskin is anticipated to be available in the Swoosh's Summer 2025 lineup.